In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Namecheap domain into your Go High Level. Once you have your domain name, log into your Namecheap account, click on Dashboard, choose Domain List, choose your domain name and click on Manage. Now you need to click on Advanced DNS, and this is where you're gonna add your new record. Now you go to your Go High Level account, go to Settings, choose Domains and URL Redirects, and connect a domain. Now you have here your options to create your final domain, email, WordPress, client portal, and branded domain. Now let's go to adding a domain for your funnel. Just need to click on Connect, write your desired domain name. So this record, you need to add it to Namecheap. So since it's a CNAME, you just need to go to your Namecheap account, add record, choose CNAME, and then for the details, go back to Go High Level, copy, same as to be the required value, and then click on the check icon to save changes. Just wait for a few more seconds and then go to High Level and verify records. Click Finish and then just go to your domain and check if it is already added. So now we have here our final domain. That's how to set up your Namecheap domain to your Go High Level.